Another birthday present came for you in the mail. Yeah. Let's see what it is. Do you know what that is? Yay! Are you excited? Oh. Yeah, it has a camera. You can take pictures. You want me to, let's get it set up, okay? You can get it set up? Okay, what's really cool about this one is the charger cord's on top. See? You can charge it in this way so then you won't break it. Yeah, that's where you charge it on this side and not the bottom. So then it won't break when you're using it. Yeah, you like that? All right. Okay, can you, where's YouTube? Can you find YouTube? Let's see. This one right here. I know that's what you like to watch. There you go. Now you can watch YouTube again. Who is that? Who is that? Chuck Norris. Is he your favorite? Now you can watch Chuck Norris on YouTube. You love it? You're so excited. She has been asking for one of these. She broke her last one, and she's been asking one for over a year, and I really didn't want to, but when I saw that it had the charger port up top, I said, okay, because the last one she broke at the bottom because she always had it plugged in while she was using it. So I think this is a really great little tablet for $50. Highly recommend. And it made her happy. Look at how happy she is.